Looking for desktop speakers that combine classic looks with modern wireless features? The Edifier D12 has become a popular choice, and after checking out what it offers, it's easy to see why. If you want rich stereo sound without filling your desk with multiple speakers, this could be a great option. The first thing you'll notice is the beautiful wooden enclosure, which gives the D12 a premium bookshelf speaker appearance instead of the typical plastic computer speaker design. It fits nicely in a home office, gaming setup, or living room while helping produce a warmer, fuller sound. When it comes to performance, the Edifier D12 delivers 70 watts RMS of power, providing clear vocals, detailed highs, and surprisingly deep bass for a compact stereo speaker. It's excellent for music, YouTube, movies, casual gaming, and even TV audio. While it doesn't replace a full home theater system, it offers a huge upgrade over built-in laptop or monitor speakers. Wireless connectivity is another highlight. With Bluetooth 5.0, pairing your phone, tablet, or laptop is quick and reliable. If you prefer wired connections, you also get dual RCA inputs and an auxiliary input, making it easy to connect PCs, monitors, TVs, record players with a preamp, or other audio devices. One feature I really appreciate is the Subwoofer Line Out. The built-in bass is already solid, but if you want more low-end punch later, you can simply add a powered subwoofer without replacing the speakers. That's a nice level of future-proofing. The included remote control also makes everyday use convenient. You can adjust volume, switch inputs, and control playback from across the room, making these speakers suitable for both desktop setups and small entertainment systems. Of course, there are a couple of drawbacks. The D12 doesn't include HDMI or USB-C connectivity like some newer premium desktop speakers, so it's aimed more at users who rely on Bluetooth or analog connections. Also, if you're a competitive gamer looking for ultra-low latency features, you may prefer speakers designed specifically for gaming. Overall, I think the Edifier D12 offers outstanding value. It combines attractive design, powerful stereo sound, Bluetooth convenience, and expandable bass in one compact package. It's ideal for anyone who wants better sound for music, movies, and everyday computer use without spending a fortune. If you're interested in upgrading your desktop audio, check out the Amazon affiliate link in the description below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.